We're here in Laverne or Claremont area. Basically, Marshall Canyon is where we're going. We started at Oak Mesa Park here. There's 5 of us total, all mid-drives. Crystal's ahead of me, Eddie, John is leading right now, and Martin. That's today's e-bike gang, and we're here to practice at the jump sessions and also get Crystal more accustomed to the creek areas. So let's get it. I chose this location today because it's like over 90 degrees. And this is one of the few nearby areas that has a lot of shade for us. And it's not too hard. And it's very scenic. Eddie and Martin have legit bikes today. Only 250 watt. Hit it. Hit that drop. And the rest of us have BBSHD or BBSO2. I'm actually using my Giant Anthem 29er, which I think I might dismantle soon and just sell the bike in itself. I just need more space in the garage. Now that I have the 27.5 bike, I think that's the one that's going to be my main bike. Alright, first creek, throttle through it. Good. Very nice. You chose a hard line. Yeah. Okay, middle line. All right, I'm gonna try to remember this. When there's a 3 fork, you take the middle. I'm still trying to memorize how to get to the jump section. They know it more than I do, in other words. We also like this place because it allows e-bikes. They used to have no e-bike signs, but they took it off, so that means, to my knowledge, that it is allowed up here in Marshall Canyon. Creek time, and then a big uphill, okay? So watch Eddie's line. You just throttle all the way. Good job. Nice. This is what I want Crystal to go through. A little more practice there, and she's got it. Good job, Crystal. That's the one I wanted you to go through. You got through it? Okay. There's a few more. Go for it. Good job. Just throttle out of there. Very nice. Ooh. Pretty soon Martin's going to be able to wheelie that new bike of his. So I did kind of get an EMTB just yesterday. I still need to put lights. I still need to make some adjustments before I took it out, but it's not completely ready. Are you the last one? I'm the last one. Oh, okay. Yeah, thanks. All right. Crystal got through that. That's good. That's what we've been wanting. Martin, pretty soon you'll be able to wheelie. I just like that I'm the only one. I'm just throttling. You guys look like you're struggling. Hey, you got through that. Good job.
I was even being considerate too.
Remember the first time you kind of like walked these things?
Oh yeah, because I didn't understand the direction.
No, you didn't have confidence before, and now you're doing better. That's what you say.
Yes.
Yes, we're good. Now you're a better rider.
I'm a better rider.
Now you're gonna do the jumps then. It's gonna get a little bit harder. Some chunks. Nice. She maneuvered through this. Good job. Found the line here. She just attacked that hill. That's what I've been trying to tell her for the most part. She's definitely a better rider today. Let's proceed to the jumps area on Marshall Canyon Trail. Easy breezy. All right, the right fork. Go and get. Go and get. I think this is the equestrian trail. I'm getting closer to the jump session area, which doesn't really have a name on the map. But so far, I had to do, every time there's a fork, it was from the trail, from the beginning of the trail, it's middle fork, right fork, and right fork. That's what I'm recalling so far. Middle fork, right, and another right. Thank God for John and Martin. They really know this trail already. Yeah, we're in the jump sections. Alright, we're gonna break here. People are gonna practice. See these jump sections on your right? And then there's some on the 12 o'clock. Thanks for leading us.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Alright, so...
It's like my little local spot.
So what I noted was middle fork and then 3 rights. So every time there's a fork. Middle, right. Okay.
Don't forget their hat. Oh, wow.
Alright, break. And probably Martin's gonna send it, he said.
We're gonna send it.
No. Here's the bike. Here's my battery for now, for today. And we're gonna practice some jump sessions. Alright, who am I following? Did you drink beer already? Is that what you drank?
No, energy drink.
Oh, energy drink?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Martin. Oh my gosh. What's this one? Oh, this one wasn't bad. I don't know why I didn't send this one. I just didn't know how the jump was, but next time I'll send that one. Alright, got the jitters out of the way. First time. I didn't see how that looks under.
Is this a little drop?
Yeah, it's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ew. And then I think Martin set this one. Oh, goddamn, Martin. That one was hard.
You went too fast on that one. Wait, man.
Hold on, it's my wrist.
Alright.
No, look.
Just stay there, man.
Yeah. No, what happened here?
You went too fast, I saw that.
You saw it?
Yeah.
No, it's like... So you have to slow down on this one?
A little bit.
You told me not to slow down at all. So I didn't slow down at all.
I think you wobbled. I saw you.
Did you record that?
I was recording it. I fell off my bike in midair. I think.
Your front wheel. You know that.
What happened in that one?
Because this one kicks you up.
Pedals, maybe?
I don't know. I remember in midair, I don't have my bike anymore with me. It's like
No, when I turned the right side, kind of knows that right there, because this one kind of kicks you. Oh yeah.
So what do you do in the?
Fire.
He told me not to slow down, and that's what I did. And I didn't slow down. And then now you're telling me slow down for this one.
Yeah, I didn't think you were gonna do this one.
Oh, dude, I wanted to do this one.
Well, now you know.
You did a good job on the first one.
Oh my god, man.
You did?
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh shit! It came in hot.
So, are those
How's your
rocks,
skin?
dude?
No, it's just
Oh my
That's
god.
actual skin.
it's my skin.
It's like a vampire, like bit your hand.
Oh, let's. You should
And
wash
then
it
there
out.
was-
I fell.
I got some
I fell on my hand.
Where's your gloves, baby?
cortisone.
My what? My
you
gloves are in my No, it's fine. I just
No, you gotta wash it, man.
yeah. I've had worse.
Let me see.
You got like hand sanitizer.
Oh lord.
Yeah, wash it. Wash
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, sanitizer is gonna hurt.
Skin.
All right, it's been like 20 minutes later. I've been band-aid up, cleaned a little. I have scrape on my elbows and my knees. But we're gonna try again. I'm just gonna roll for now. My wrist is like numb.
Yeah, dude. Just roll and pump, man.
I'm just gonna watch you guys and record you guys. So you guys, am I in your way? Okay, you have a line? Trying to get more feeling in my wrist. Oh yeah, that fucking hurts my wrist. Yeah, just these normal drops hurt my wrist. I can't, man, I can't. It hurts my wrist. just those little drops. Like I don't know.
Straight. Sprained it.
Yeah, sprained. Dang it. Woohoo. John. Woo. Let's see, he created his own jump there too. Very nice. I'm just bummed about my wrist. The pedals threw me off my bike, and then I was in midair without my bike, so I kind of pushed it aside instead of landing on my bike. That would have hurt more, I think. Oh, nice, Eddie. Good work.
Good job, Ed. 54?
Yeah, I'm at like 54.4 volts.
All right. Climbing on up Claremont Wilderness Loop Trail. 5-mile trail. Mostly a fire road. So basically taking it easy now that it's a little cooler, the sun's a little bit down. And I can't with this messed up wrist, or it's a sprained wrist. I can't even pump or lift my bike, so it hurts. So no more jumps for me for today, but Martin got some good progress in his jumping abilities. Got some good session in. Got to see the sunset a little bit. Oh yeah, these little brake bumps hurt my freaking wrist. Oh, so sore. They're so swollen. I can't even lift my handlebar anymore. There. I have to rely on my left hand. Oh, John left us early, by the way. There's just 4 of us left. He had to take care of some stuff. He basically left where he separated from us from the jump session area. Alright, roller coaster time. Should be nice and flowy from what I remember. Yeah, Crystal's headlights are pointing upwards. You gotta change it. Look at the tree above you. That's where your light's pointing. And if I'm not mistaken, we're almost out of the roller coaster trail. But it is dark now, actually. I can barely see myself. I remember this part. Alrighty, folks. We're heading on out of here. Pretty dark now. I wish I could do more jumps or do the roller coaster again, but I'm a bit banged up. Not 100%. So we're gonna head on out of here. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. And don't forget to check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on a Super73, an aerial rider, or your DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventures signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace. One more creek. Second to the last, I think. Good job.